Monday, January 19, we will resume the Blue Ribbon Committee hearings to further clarify some issues surrounding the flood control anomalies.
Ilang isyu at impormasyon kaugnay ng flood control scandal ang nais alamin at tinawi ng Senate Blue Ribbon Committee sa pagpapatuloy ng kanilang pagdinig sa susunod na linggo. Ayon kay Senador Panfilo Lacson, chairperson ng komite, mas marami pang impormasyon ang gusto nilang malaman kaugnay ng tinaguriang Cabral Files. Ito ang dokumento mula sa yumaong dating Undersecretary ng Department of Public Works and Highways na si Maria Catalina Cabral.
We are issuing a subpoena duces tecum to Secretary Vince Dizon with the end in view of consolidating all the files, including but not limited to what the late Undersecretary Cabral left before she died, and which are confirmed to be in the possession of the department and which the Blue Ribbon Committee needs to further enhance our inquiry and investigation. Nag-usap na kami ni Secretary Vince tungkol dito last Monday at kung ano-ano mga files at dokumento ang kailangan namin.
Welcome naman para kay Senador Ping Lacson ang pagdalo sa Blue Ribbon hearing ni Batangas 1st District Representative Leandro Leviste.
Kasi imbitahin din namin si Congressman Leviste. Kung mag-a-attend siya, di mag-compare notes na lang sila ng DPWH.
May inimbitahan rin ang komite na posibleng mag-ugnay kay late 1st District Representative at dating House Speaker Martin Romualdez sa mag-asawang Pacifico at Sara Diskaya.
We would like to clarify persistent reports that former Speaker Martin Romualdez had purchased a house and lot in a plush subdivision in Makati City using the Diskayas as front in the said sale. If verified to be true, this could possibly establish a direct connection between the former Speaker and the Diskayas. In this regard, we may invite the former owner of the property to shed light.
Budsod ng interparliamentary courtesy sa pagitan ng dalawang kapulungan ng Kongreso, maaari lang anyang imbitahan si Romualdez sa pamamagitan ng House Speaker. Ngunit hindi anya ito maaaring pilitin at wala silang magagawa kung hindi ito dadalo sa pagdinig ng Senado. Asher Cadapan Jr., UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.